Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda. And in this video, we are going to review the top 5 best desktop PC in 2022. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is Best Overall, Alienware Aurora R12, Dell_Alienware Aurora R12 Gaming Desktop PC, 11th Gen i7-11700F up to 4.9 GHz Turbo Boost, RTX 3080 10GB graphics card, 64GB RAM, 1TB SSD plus 2TB HDD, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Win 10, 1 week ShockSlab tech support. Dell's Alienware desktop comes from a long legacy of top-quality gaming hardware. Shortly after Intel announced its 11th generation processors, Dell upgraded its Alienware to take advantage of them. We haven't had the chance to go hands-on with the Alienware R12, but we did look at the R11, and we're confident enough in the Alienware brand to conclude the 12 South African Rand is a beast. The hardware is capable, with an 11th generation Core i7 processor, a solid NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Super GPU, 64GB of RAM, and 2 SSDs for a combined total of 3 TB. Our second product is Best for Gaming, HP OMEN 30 liters. OMEN 30 liters Gaming Desktop PC, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, 10th generation Intel Core i7-10700KF processor, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Windows 10 Home, GT 130070, 2020, Shadow Black. CPU, Intel Core i9-10850K, GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, RAM, 32GB, storage, 1TB SSD, 1TB HDD. Games push the limits of every aspect of PC hardware, making gaming computers ideal for gaming and just about any other task you can imagine. The HP OMEN series of gaming PCs offers everything from affordable configurations to high-end VR-capable rigs. Whether you spend a lot or a little, OMEN gaming desktops deliver great value for the money. Gamers, in particular, may look to upgrade their machines someday down the road, and fortunately, the HP OMEN 30 liters makes that easy with an accessible case design that's great to work. Our third product is Dell G5 Gaming Desktop, Intel Core i7-9700, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2066GB GDDR6, 512GB SSD storage, 16GB RAM, i50-907166 GRY+. Configuration, Intel i7 vertical bar 16GB, 512GB vertical bar RTX 2060. This item Dell G5 Gaming Desktop, Intel Core i7-9700, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2066GB GDDR6, 512GB SSD storage, 16GB RAM, i50-907166 GRY+. About this item. Toolless upgradability. The side panel can easily be removed to access internal components and upgrade CPU, GPU, RAM. Our fourth product is Acer Chromebox CXi3i38GKM2 Mini PC, Intel Core i3-8130U processor, 8GB DDR4 memory, 64GB M.2 SSD, 802.11 acres Wi-Fi 5, USB Type-C, Chrome OS, keyboard and mouse included. About this item. 8th generation Intel Core i3-8130U processor, 2.2 GHz with Turbo Boost technology up to 3.4 GHz. 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet LAN and Bluetooth 4.2 1, USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1 ports, up to 5 gigabits per second, DisplayPort over USB-C, USB charging, 5, USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 2 front and 3. Our fifth product is Best Apple Mac Mini, M1, 2020. What we like: relatively low price, small size, minimalist design. What we don't like: small selection of ports, not upgradable. In late 2020, Apple introduced the M1 chip, its first ARM-based processor built specifically for Apple hardware. That hardware included the Mac Mini, making it a formidable little machine. However, the design of the Mac Mini is a little disappointing. given that it's less upgradable and has fewer available ports than the previous generation of this PC. The Mac Mini is a great minimalist PC if you prefer Apple's operating system. It'll fit just about anywhere and isn't huge and intrusive like so many desktop machines. It's also relatively affordable for a Mac, but it's worth spending more at the outset for a more capable configuration because you won't be able to upgrade it down the road. CPU, Apple M1, GPU, integrated 8-core GPU, RAM, 8GB, storage, 256GB SSD. The Apple Mac Mini with M1 is a tremendously impressive piece of hardware, offering staggering performance at an affordable price. The only real catch here is that in leaving Intel behind, Apple may have left you in the lurch. If you can live and work in a world that's entirely free of Windows, then the M1 Mac Mini is ready to welcome you home. Jeremy Locke, OMEN, product tester.